go there.
The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Peoples Ribhoi District today met with Dr. Dibla, the Medical Superintendent of Civil Hospital Nongpoh, to address concerns over inadequate healthcare facilities. The organization, led by General Secretary Ricky Majau, highlighted the lack of essential equipment like X-ray machines, CT scanner and ultrasound machines, as well as the non-functional trauma center. Fkjgp emphasized the importance of the trauma center for Ribhoi district, urging the hospital to take immediate action to improve services for the public.
Yang medical superintendent ilong ba kadon ka ultrasound riba ban operate di ultrasound kadon kam ka certification ni doktor ba kin haban ni training suwa bakin operate ya ketika ultrasound ta nakaliang EMS ilong ba kasim jinjar sigaday ya kini ki doktor bakin haban ni training sun sabar kum sudu sa bar ka state sa Tamil riba nilapit man ta kasaka training hapo negrim su kadon balik kimpa hajan kenang ba kini opas sedang ya kini ultrasound machine habai di ba in general ya baro om tang ya kilong kemig ba armet.
Defense Minister